Apeksha to please share her views and experience at RVIM. Apeksha, please.
A very warm good morning to all the dignitaries on the stage, respected faculty members, my dear friends and their families. I, Ms. Apeksha Siddhanavar, feel truly honored and humble to stand before you today as the first rank holder of MBA 2023-2025 batch. On 1st February 2024, during our inaugural ceremony, I stood on this very stage sharing my reasons as to why I chose RV Institute of Management. Standing here again today fills me with immense pride and gratitude because it reassures me that I have made the right choice. There are two strong reasons that make me say this with conviction. The first reason is the knowledge that I've gained from this institution. The learning I received here has helped me excel academically, perform confidently in activities, clear interviews successfully, and secure my desired job. This would not have been possible without the constant support, guidance, and encouragement from our faculty members. My heartfelt gratitude to every faculty from all departments for generously sharing their wisdom, time, and expertise. The lessons you have imparted will remain with me for a lifetime. The second reason is the people, my RVM family. After working at Infosys for 3 years, I had my doubts about whether I would be able to adapt to college life. But my journey here proved otherwise. The warmth, support, and camaraderie of my friends, classmates, and professors made this transition seamless and joyful. I'm truly grateful for the friendships I've made and for this wonderful memories we have created together. To all of you, I wish immense success, happiness, and love in everything you do. Thank you for making this journey so memorable and special. To my juniors, thank you for your enthusiasm, efforts, warmth, and energy in every occasion. A few words of wisdom for you. In life, you will experience more lows than highs, and that is what shapes you. Through every phase, never lose hope. You may lose confidence at times, you may question your efforts. You may feel disheartened when success seems distant, but hope is what will keep you moving forward. Once you give up hope, no amount of efforts can help you reach your goals. This I say from my personal experience. My MBA journey has taught me patience, perseverance, and the power of hope, qualities that will guide me throughout life. Above all, this achievement would not have been possible without the unwavering support of my family. Thank you, Mummy, Papa, and Didi, for always being by my side, believing in me and encouraging me to achieve my dreams. I owe all of this to you, and I hope I've made you proud today. Lastly, I want to express my deepest gratitude to RVIM for giving me this opportunity to share my experience today, for shaping me into a confident and capable individual. This journey has truly been one of the most enriching and rewarding experiences of my life. Thank you once again to our director, Bang Sir, our faculty members and non-teaching staff, my friends, and everyone who has been a part of this beautiful journey. Wishing you all a wonderful day and a future filled with success and joy. Thank you.